Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, you are seeing is a very pretty collection of arani pattu sarees. The fabric is very soft in nature. The body part is having small puttas and the border part is having big puttas with a beautiful contrast pallu and running blouse. These collections are coming in both dark and light shades with amazing color combinations. The fabric's comfortability is excellent and that's why you can wear the sarees as both casual and party wear. These attractive collections you are getting in a price of 1030 rupees along with a free shipping across India. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Instagram and WhatsApp pages. The links are given in the description. Hope you like the collection. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Also follow our Instagram page for more collection.